How to fix Wombo app and network connections in your Android mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. So let's start this video. So at first what you have to do, you have to go in your settings, and after going in settings you have to go and search for app management. After going there you have to click in app list, and after clicking app list, what you have to do, here you have to come and just you have to click for Wombo app. After coming here you have to go for storage, and after coming here you have to click for clear data and clear cache. After that what you have to do, come in the permission ones, and you have to go for alloy in the both camera and storage. Okay, you have to allow in this bot, and after coming back, come back, and after that you have to just go in Play Store. After coming in Play Store you have to search for Wombo app. So guys, if your Wombo app is not updated, then make sure that you should be updated your Wombo app. In my mobile I don't have to update it, so you have to update your Wombo app so that you can use and can be proper too. So guys, this is how you have to do, and thanks for watching this video.